Today, we are going to teach you how to make a homemade squishmallow. Okay, so first, you will need a pen or a pencil or a Sharpie. All of the snow. Okay, so first, you can draw whatever you want. You can draw a doll, a girl, a boy, or you can draw an animal. We decided with Nicole to draw those two little guys. She is going to draw Rudolph. I'm going to draw the bear. So let's start. Okay, I'm done. Let's wait for my sister. Done. Okay. Okay, guys, the next step is to color. I'm going to make him some cute cheeks. Okay, guys, now you will need to trace it like this. Then you'll need to cut this out. Be careful with scissors, guys. Yep. Then, when you're done, it will look like this. Remember, the tracing of your little squishy needs to be bigger than your picture. Okay, now it's the fun part. We get the tape and we cover it with tape so it doesn't get dirty or doesn't get ripped. Then it will be safer. So you cover it with tape like this. Then you can cut off the excess. Okay guys, I'm done. Oh, let's help my little sister. So let's cut off the tape. Okay. Okay, let's do the top part now. Okay. The squishies are really hard to make. So even when you don't know how to do a squishy, I am not surprised. Okay. Now, when you're done, then you need to take this part and tape it again. Okay, guys. So remember, the tracing that you did needs to be covered with tape too. Okay, now we'll need to have, again, we'll need a tape, but it will be only the bottom part. So get only a little bit of the tape, like this much, and then put it here on the bottom. Like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, guys. And now when the bottom is taped, then you can cut off the excess, the tracing that you had. Okay, now I'm helping my sister.
Everyone, because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing that the King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, the King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, the King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, the King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Okay, guys, now we'll need to tape the bottom again. Okay, guys, so first you need to wrap it around and leave some space at the top so you can stuff. Now it's time for the best part, stuffing. So we have this big bag here. And now it's time to get some of these and put it inside here. Okay, I'm done. Let's wait for my sister.
I'm done.
Okay, guys. Now, if you have a stapler at home, you can staple it. But when you don't have a stapler at home, don't worry. You can use tape. So I'm going to staple his ears, but first I need to hide this. So I stapled one ear, and now I'll staple the second one. Okay. Now let my sister give a turn. Okay, now we're going to staple the head. Okay.
Got it.
And we're done. Our own homemade squishy. Try it at home. Good luck.
Yeah!